Amos. Amos. Cake of Canesi. Sino naman eh? Ay?
Of Jerlix.
Jerlix. Cake of Jerlix ha. O laro. Si Ash o si Billy. Yung laro. Ash and Billy. Tulog mo itong tulog. Kita mo ito si Dash.
Si Ilik.
Hello.
Yan na sa taas. Butangin inana na lang sa...
Hello, Jerlix.
Hey.
Hello, Billy. Din si Billy. Brown. They are all born on June 17. So by this time they are 1 month and 5 days old. This is their mommy Amos. And here they are from inside the house. They've been brought outside to see the beauty in the outside. This is Ash, the eldest. They are named according to, they are named alphabetically, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, since they are 7 puppies. Okay. Now, Ash, and who is this? The red color one is Ash, and the other is, beside Ash, is, what is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? I cannot see. Ash, and this is, there are 3 boys, I mean, who is Billy, Ilik, and Dash, and 4 of them are girls, 4 girls. They are named as, the name of the 4 girls. The puppies are here outside. The 6 of them are sleeping well, while Ash, who is the eldest, is awake here. Hello, Ash. You're watching your younger brothers and sisters. So Ash is awake, and then also Cake is awake. The third puppy. Here are the sleeping.
Amat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tutoy Mos. Dili sakit Mos. Oh, pila mo kabuok dia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito. Wala, Amos ayaw na. Ay, Amos, naikyas na.
Cake Anjar.
Ang si Juan. Asa to si Juan? Bayoy. Asa si
Ay.
Bayoy?
Raranya sa kanyo.
Belly. Ano sa Belly? Ano sa?
Ako na si Billy. Hello, Jerlix. Hello. Lele, come.
Picture.
Picture.
Oh, ngit-ngit mo lagi.
Kitsa na.
Si Jerlix. Nan. Si Billy matagisod kaya na ang dali o na sa una. Parang dili na magbutat na ba ako nagkikin. Hindi sila puta.
Muna lagi kag maki.
Parang magbata ni. Ilasit ako bilang. Master kasi Billy. Sige, si Ilik. Tabangan po nila. Wow! sila nakalakaw. Pagkatabangan na nila gaway. Si Jurix, sige binutan ra. Oh, let sige yan. Oh my God, ano. Jurix! 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 Babasag daw siya, oh. Jurix!